Hello friends, welcome to my channel HS for a friend. Today in this video I will show you how you can create two WhatsApp in your Android mobile phone. As you can see on my mobile phone screen, there are two WhatsApp apps. So I have created this from the settings. So I will show you where is that setting. So first of all, here you can see I'm using Android version 11 for making this video. So in this mobile phone, if you want to use two WhatsApp, like on my mobile phone screen you can see there are two WhatsApp. So you have to go to the settings of your mobile phone. Inside the setting you will get one option, app management. Just open this app management. Inside the app management you can see one option, app cloner. Just open this app cloner, and here you can see the second one option is WhatsApp. So now you have to find out the WhatsApp is here. Just open this WhatsApp and just click on this create app cloner. Once you have clicked on this, your app will be created. So and the clone of your app will be created. So hope friend this video is helpful for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.